Shan, why you so bad? Shan,
Huh?
why you so bad? What?
Don't know.
What you mean you don't know? What you mean you don't know? Huh? So look at you. You ain't got no hair and you over there fucking with bobby pins.
You ain't bobby pins.
What you over there messing with them for? You a little girl now?
No.
Then why you messing with girl stuff?
I'm not.
What you think those for?
Here.
For whose hair, boys or girls?
Girl.
So you a little girl now since you over there playing with them?
No.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
Why you so bad then?
Girls cry. Like,
What all girls do while you digging in your nose?
they cry. They tattletale.
You tattletale too.
No.
Oh, you stick to the G code?
What's the default?
No snitching? You be snitching?
No.
Oh, so you snitch free?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, you snitch free?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, why you so bad though? You want to fight?
I want to go boxing.
You want to go boxing? Boxing for what?
I want to wrestle a little kid.
Why, so they can beat you up?
No.
What's going to happen then?
We gonna see who gonna win.
You going to see who going to win. What if he beat you up? Then what you going to do?
I'm gonna beat you up.
How you going to beat him up if he already beat you up?
Because you're gonna have 3 rounds.
You going to have 3 rounds. So how many rounds you going to win?
Probably 2 or 3.
Oh, you going to win either 2 or 3? You just bad. There you is.
Oh.
Come fight me.
What you doing? Taking a picture?
No, I'm recording you so I can show the world how bad you is.